Now back to the conversation when we start when they gingered by that same song Gingered by Wizkid and Burna Boy. Now I don't know why blackface they always wait till the matter be like say people don't forget before you go to raise issue. So blackface right now they accuse Wizkid and Burna Boy say at least they forgive her a call before they sample in music twist and turn.
But so they look up.
So Godwin, I'm not gonna lie give it. He play the song from the official YouTube page when the song they uploaded 2019. The song actually they released 2019. This song they do on 20 Ginger now 20.
This one at 2020, I think. Abi?
Wait, make I just be 100% correct about this Ginger right now.
I think it's 2020.
Our argument. Now 2020. Yes, 2020. So Twist and Turn by Blackface they officially released online 2019. This Wizkid song with the feature Burna Boy Ginger na 2023 release. So you call it say at least una forgive me call before una sample one. Make una not go they do like bank you now you can talk. And if you listen to your own song, Godwin, say a song.
If you send them to here, we need to play.
You not play.
Okay.
Godwin, the hear that?
Yeah, they all sound the same. Yeah.
So, firstly, I not like give you. We get problem for this part of the world. Some things we not suppose shame about. We dey shame about. Sampling of music. Not be today start. Way back, it don't take. The biggest superstars, Naija is sample music. Lauryn Hill sample music. They sample Lauryn Hill music. This guy, this legend, when he get Pemi here that time, this old man.
This one we sing like when I was a child.
James Brown.
No, James Brown. The get one.
Lionel Richie.
They don't sample Lionel Richie music. And back to back, every age they sample the age before their music. And the moment you sample one, royalty they go directly to them. Even our Nigerian artists, may I tell you the truth?
Yeah.
The moment they sample artists out of this country, then they pay royalty. This heartbreak song, you know how much? More than half of the money. Now this girl they collect them. Tony
Braxton.
Burna Boy.
Yeah.
Where Burna Boy they make money from? Now performance from that song go. Royalty. 65%. I use the matter talking about for when they do interview with them.
Yeah.
So I don't know when it comes to our side, why would they always they shame from songwriters to you agree say somebody write song for you na problem. To agree say sample of that person you ought to give and the due respect na always problem. Why? Nothing they bad in it.
Blackface don't ask Burna Boy and Wizkid.
Say wetin?
You don't ask them.
Whether they really sample or they not
you
sample.
don't ask them, they tell and say because you know the way you feel this somewhere, yes song, yes sound. Or they online hear sound. Matter here Nigerian artists they behave some of them. They go this somewhere hear sound or hear music or maybe one producer play or they hear them online. So maybe sometime later the video studio they won't produce song. Can't see something like that. For their mind, the sound now what you they imagine. They forget say they hear and song.
That fraud.
They can't go use that. So now if the person will get the song come out come to say this thing where you do na my own. I think the right thing to reach out to the person say this guy this song where you do now me get the original. See as it be and as it be. Then now for you now to come admit whether you take am from if you want the defender say you no take am from then he don't show you proof saying don't release am before then it means you hear am somewhere or you take am somewhere or the other. So they don't agree accept basically.
Simply they work. Sampling not be only for voice and the rhythm of song go. You see this? If it did my song, when I released 2020, then this year you can't do now sample.
But everybody
receive royalty.
No. But everybody they take something. If you ask every producer, I go tell you say every producer. Something they take something from somewhere they don't hear. You know all those ones. You know nobody go they investigate. Say
no, they
pay. Wait first. No, R&B. If you blatantly take like this one now, it's different. This one now the rhythm you go no say.
Now this one
exactly.
No,
it's a different thing. Say maybe producer use a particular kind of beat or something that will sound similar to something else. Sometimes producer feel they cook up. If you don't listen to so many music where you say, I tell you they cook beat, you go see like a few seconds of this, few seconds of that. Nobody feel lay claim to say I ain't get that. But when you take the person. music when it is so clear. See, everybody takes something from somewhere. Everybody gets inspiration from somebody.
I do song
eventually.
when they take down. I do song with one of my boy Jake Chap. No, Kazma. He did US right now. We released on 2017. Guess what? 2018 they send me copyright claim. Now one American artist who I don't know who his papa be, who his mama be. They say waiting. I copy the beats offer. They do that song. Immediately I contact my producer. I have a bros. He said, not be lie. He sample just one or two gbogbo. Guess what? They take down the song, my brother. Because first of all, I never make money. So which money I will share with them?
Because you see now, because what your producer take this significant. You understand? If what
you are see,
if the person
like
if what the person take, they very significant. Where if he trace to somebody else's song. You understand? And the issue will come out. If you check everybody's song, you go get something. So, no matter how tiny it be, we say it. I just say you never hear where that person take that thing from. You never discover. But it gets somewhere be say.
Make God help Timaya say we can copyright that thing.
Timaya and Naija Delta person now.
Forget that's where the problem is.
No, you don't understand what I do. You don't even understand what they talk. Timaya, we can go happy say Timaya is and do song to further push we can agenda. Timaya and Naija Delta. Now that idea, no. Timaya, no. We can not be official musician. No, listen. You supposed to understand what Timaya do. Now political season. Every we get to use that particular song. Timaya just enter the flow. Timaya knows. No, because of our society. No, in the same society, no go pay anything because see governor go sing like this in the first place. Now they tell you so. If you there in same society, governor no go do that kind of thing now. Now they tell you so. So Timaya don't see opportunity. Say people they always use this thing. Other party say as they pay them, they sweet them on their own. Why I no put them for song? When we get go here, I go say, oh sing and Timaya. Oh, he's that boy from Bayelsa. He's my guy. You don't finish. You know. So Timaya cash in
because of here we
assume now say now one artist maybe they don't come mighty. Sing that song for Wiki.
No,
Timaya can go coordinate them. Now their issue go day. You understand? That's how you tell you say every producer go tell you say everybody they sample something from somebody.
A lot.
Nah, but
we don't give credit.
It gets some blatant lifting. When you don't lift from this person, lift from this person.
That one you know say exactly.
This one an example. This one a perfect example.
You see the life of the Africa China. The lives of those early 2000 artists from the Two-Face and this rate. Those guys are supposed to be multi-millionaire. Ask me why. Because you see these recent artists of these days, they don't sample their music in one way or the other. Don't use their lyrics in one way or the other. But before we not get a really working structure, we are going there right now. Those people know they feel benefit from it. Most of them, if you not they see them for street. Let's be sincere. Because if you listen to some of these guys, so you hear say, this now not fair here before. You go to a friend and say a Two-Face song. You go to a friend and say a Rugged Man song. You friend and say a nice song. You see all those things when you talk, so when you sing your song, they're supposed to benefit from her. That's what I'm talking about. We support the original. We're not supposed to be ashamed say this person now I pick something from sample a beat. The
thing be say if you some of those people who don't sample the Umbu song, some of them don't tell their guy say they want to, and the guy say go ahead. You understand? Some of them get go ahead to do what you then do. Anytime when you hear controversy like this, now because the person will get the song no give the go ahead, and the other person will use the song no ask for permission. So the question I go ask be say like the blackface now, he shouldn't don't reach out to Burna Boy and Whiskey to talk.
Maybe they try, they no answer him. You know say now most of the time maybe they no.
But how many years ago this song don't come out?
Since 2 years.
2020.
2 years ago. So why go? Not exactly to the so. Why not bring out that time?
Yeah, it does.
No, but see, if you find out say somebody use sample of your song, you go contact them, they no come out, then after that you go begin the erase alarm. No be now we say the song no the trend again. Song no they because they come back contact the person to it. Because at the end of the day people go talk say people Michael Jackson catalog see they make money now. Everybody what don't song they don't release 30-40 years go see they make money. You understand? As long as you put them somewhere.
Achalugo. And they tell and say it be like say pick Young John.
Yeah,
Young John beat.
He say no. Now the producer.
He say no. So so that guy one now they feel Young John feel so maybe.
Not be depend if he shared it. You ask how Young John pay for collection. If you collect from that person, all of them they go all of them. So you see the music scene on there right now. Everything is sampling. Man, don't like it.
If you just
producer, I get most of them as friends. Before they do beat, they don't listen to different people. So by the time they do beat, they'll collect here. If I say one song, sample like 3 different old songs.
But this also no sample a future.
I know this one.
Yes.
Me when they say they go write me copyright claim.
Some people where they say they sample them song. Some boy they don't say they sample them song. Say they don't give them credit. Them sample somebody else to reach that place. The moment when you want begin they complain, say this person sample your song. The person where original person if you go come and come to say you understand. That's why. But when you there so evidence say you lift somebody's song, you supposed to take permission. But if the person complain also.
Permission go do it. Maybe they pay.
If the person complain, then you go. So now say go the right way. Reach out to them. Say this and this and this. See what you now do. Some of them go feel argue say I never hear your song before. I no take am from you and all that. It's left for you to now sue and go to court to go and look for the dress for court. Basically,
I wish they do am for radio too. Because a lot of radio stations we don't steal other people program.
No you're good here. That one other matter.
That one music, even the radio side they steal special program.
Why you talk? You call somebody on your list, but sometimes they feel happy. Say okay, maybe I'm actually influencing.
But at the same time, maybe they give what you see out to.
No, they don't feel good. They call your name for where they didn't, and you teach them how to talk.
And no, don't be same you two talk. Say maybe they give them royalty.
Person the thief your talk.
They thief.
Don't be say I didn't take her. If anytime I hear her, I'll just take her. Oh, most time are people where I even know for the industry you guys. Okay, maybe I dey influence. Or maybe you dey influence. Maybe they influence. For person to want use your idea, your yarns, that means you dey do well.
Not be just that one. When we do NaijaFM, when I dey Badon, you know, say at a point, it can't be like say all the presenters for other radio stations, all of them they change their name to the name of the presenter in NaijaFM Badon. For another radio station, as you get Oba Sports, they got their own Oba Sports too. Oyato one, they get Oyato one.
We are naturally copycat though.
They copy now.
That's why they introduce themselves. My name now Oyato one. And Oyato one they somewhere.
We are naturally copycat people. We copy white people, so waiting the Bible we copy ourselves. You get me? Moving forward, Godwin. This is a very big topic issue for the married people them. And in all sincerity, may I not lie give you. I want more day sincere on top this matter.
Yes, the married people.
Yes, I know say sometimes Godwin they like do like this, do like this, do like this, do like because I don't want me straight bullet meter. But Godwin today, I want you to remember where you are. Don't dodge bullet. You want me to meet you. Talk on with your chest.
So who's straight bullet?
Okay. So
who straight bullet? One pass to one I talked last week on S. Don't forget.
Oh yeah. So you get one young man, John D. Doe for Twitter. Yes, he said married people. Is your own marriage one of the best decisions you made in your life? If you come back to this world, would you love to be married again to the same partner? Please be kind to respond honestly.
See men and women married.
Any question be that?
Yes.
That'll be a question now. That question ain't difficult. Last week when I do my anniversary, now I said that me be the sabi your partner. My listeners ask me question. Listener ask me question. Have you ever cheated on your wife before? And I answer on air like. I say yes. I don't understand. I say yes. You understand? I tell you, say, I said, well, if you want to talk about it, they call cheating. I put that and I said there was a time where my wife would say, okay, we need to do again, we separate. At that period, I was seeing somebody else. Yes, I said that they see somebody else.
Wait. I
put that and say, even as I talk that thing, I said she didn't listen. I said she didn't listen now. She listen now. I said we separate. So that period, I didn't see somebody else. But since we never officially divorce. If it does okay, I can say okay. I don't. So I can say because what is the person they ask now? You don't be with somebody else. If I say because that period will separate. I was with somebody. I didn't know. You understand? I answer the question now. A lot of them shocks the answer. This one now. If you ask me now, this question say whether if I come back I go marry my wife again. No. No.
Don't record this video, Pat.
No, record
it. We don't discuss the matter. Me, I don't sit down and discuss them. I don't want to say. I don't say no. Not be say because say you know be good person. But you see because the kind people where we be maturity and the past will be Christians and all that. We decided to make and walk. When we don't marry, we can't discover say technically we not really supposed to marry because we get too many differences where we be no like. But see, we not be contented because of these differences. More separate. So we decide to see the positives where they more than the negative. For instance, I see my daughter. I did very, very happy. My daughter tall, beautiful, whatever. I see my boy. You understand? So many other positive they don't come from him. All of us, a lot of us, if you ask us sincerely, if we go back to heaven, God say which country you want come. We don't call Nigeria now. but we get Nigeria now, and we then make the most of the Nigeria.
Country different for partners.
No, see, and I give an example. Say just the way some of us don't find out. Say when we don't marry, enter, kind of say based on this, okay. I don't want this person again. Okay. The same way. Based on this, we know call Nigeria again. Okay. You understand? That's what the matter. But you know me say we will come say okay because as we don't know Nigeria now, we know make the most of it.
Now you to come back with that person, remarry that person, not make the person.
You don't make the person a bad person.
And all of need to also understand say marriage, not be as you dey share from outside. Until you don't decide that you are.
You get what I even talk. One of the major reasons why I no go marry my wife again if I come back now because I no be the right person for her. Me not be the right. No, see, when I discover say she go like and what did she want? See how I be. What did she like and what did she like and what did she want? Not be me go give her. Not be me. You understand? So I'd rather not marry her again so that the right person will go day better than me. Go meet her. That's all.
So for me, I'd always talk before I ever decide, before I meet my wife, even on the date, I've always made my intention clear. I'm not be a marriage person. I grew up in an environment where I don't really get to really experience much of that. Even when I experience but because my people late,
your parents
late, I got experience for my auntie and her husband, for my uncle and his wife, different. And with what they're exposed to, I'm not bad to the idea of marriage. Luckily for me, or fortunately for me, I meet my wife. I start to the series and say, maybe this can work. Yes. And I tell my wife right from time, even before
you not be marriage person.
I don't be marriage person. I rather, even at the time, I don't get big when I don't even, because get one serious question, my wife for before I engage her, we go separate way. Get one babe, I connect her for Abuja straight, but we don't have that one share the same. You also now 2 children will get to, maybe you will get one, if I decide one give on that person, but baby mama, I don't make up my mind. But along the line, really come day for me to say, oh, maybe I can make this work. And now here we did. It just be 3 years. But I don't like give you. Oh, what funny. Oh, why easy. As I talk, thank God for small common sense once they manage it. You get me? Joke apart, I'm being sincere right now. You know me.
So if you come back.
If I come back, not like you. I'm still a single person. Get children.
Okay.
I'm not beside not there happy right now. I'm very happy.
But you'll rather be single, just get 1 or 2 children and that's
play my role, they take care of them.
The problem with you be say, like say you be single and won't get 1 or 2 children. Now twins there for the born. so if you beat one girl, you go born twins. You can another girl born twins. So instead of having 2 children from 2 girls, you go get 4. You got twins there, your DNA. Imagine say person a baby mama 1 twins. You don't see baby mama born twins.
No, you don't. Now let his Daniel be done.
If he do, baby mama end up born twins video, but I never see. The moment the baby mama turn to twins or triplet, convert them to wife straight. You have to able to convertible.
So yeah, men that go do men. Yes, I like the fact some of them they very straightforward. One Ikuku woman said, I was sexually attracted to my wife, but after our marriage, I lost every sexual attraction. Now I find it hard to even make love to my wife. Initially, I thought I had affection or no longer sexually active until I flirted with another woman. I'm dying in silence at home, but I still love my wife so much. Then somebody can reply. He said, marry, this one praise you. He said, marry my hobby is the best decision. Now, woman, I would love to marry him again over. He's there to comfort, encourage, and scold me when it be. The way he pilot the affairs of the home, not get manual. Oga do tell me that he has short temper before, but me, I've not seen it because I get him mumu button. So now I know waiting the holy husband. You get me. The other person you're waiting.
Okay, this one said I was 27 and my wife was 24. I had just finished NYSC, jobless, and she took a chance with me, even with my discouragement. I look back today and I'm glad we took the risk together. I will marry my wife again and again.
Somebody say nothing wrong with my partner, but I don't think I want to get married or have kids in my next life. I'm a chronic loner, but he find himself right for family. But if you give a chance, you know what?
Yeah, several reasons there why people no go go that say. You understand? Another reason why me I no go want mine. I like Oyibo blonde. So now if I'm a left line, I go wait go abroad. Go look for Oyibo and blonde.
They call this guy for that boondock tattoo. That black guy where they always support white people. You know Boondog, now the
I know,
Boondog, right?
yeah,
That black man, what do you call her?
I know the name. See, I mean, not the only thing I like Oyibo, blonde.
Blonde Oyibo.
Blonde Oyibo. Yeah, blonde. White and blonde hair.
This one say, I terribly regret marrying my current wife. Everything about her is fake. And I don't dare marry her again if I come back to this world.
You know what they pay me?
Of course, I would love to marry if I come back to this world again, but not her.
You know what they pay me? They don't have this for Twitter. He want to see.
You know why me and Vic confidently they talk more on air without discussing.
Yeah,
without sit down there. I say, look, I say, I clear you the truth. If I come this again, I don't marry you. I say, I know you two, you will not marry me if you come today. He said, how do you know? I said, because I'm not the right person. All this while I hold on, whatever. I said, you go through. I'm no other you pretend, you know, do it.
So I always
the first she said, go admit, says, yes, she for no. So
I always tell my wife because before marriage, I always tell her, I say, based on my idea, anything will make me enter this. I don't want to make the journey short. I want more put a lot of energy and whatsoever effort to make it actually work. But if it decide not work, nothing concern marriage ever. I rather your day just they do my thing. Small, they manage my life, they go.
And as if I go single like this.
Say let for the hot. Now I for the influence God will have fire in the moment.
He got down to a level now. Slaughter slab.
This one. Make you never see yellow slim tall girl.
That's all. And you call yellow.
Hey, come on, hug me. Come on, hug me. From all girls they don't get belly finish. Come on, hug me. That's why you go to talk to them. Come on, hug me. Come on, hug me.
That one for today across the beach. We're going to leave you for the safe hands of God. We're over here on the first verse of NaijaFM. From us, yeah, we say goodbye and we go see you now tomorrow. One love to every one of you now.
Bye.
You get on top the original NaijaFM 102.7. We radio.